Good morning, friends. Today we will make a paper penguin. The materials we will need are scissors, glue, a pencil, and color the papers. The colors we need are black, white, and orange. The black is for the eyes and the main body. White is for the front body. Orange is for the beak and feet. Now we are ready to outline and cut the penguin's body parts. Now we have cut the main body of the penguin. Now we have even cut the front body of the penguin. And these are the features of the penguin. Now we are ready to glue the penguin's body parts. Now we are done with our paper penguin. Hope you like it. Have a nice day.